In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Monday.com board. Whether you're replicating a successful project setup or just want to keep a template handy, copying a board can be a real time saver, and I'm here to guide you through the entire process. To start, you'll want to navigate to the board you wish to copy. So, open up Monday.com and head to your board list. Scroll through your boards until you spot the one you're looking for. Make sure it's the exact board you want to replicate, because this will serve as the template for everything we're about to do. Once you've accessed the board, take a look at the top right corner. You'll notice a set of 3 dots, commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options related to the board. Now, when the drop-down menu appears, look for the More Actions option. Hover over it, and you'll see another list of commands. From this list, select Duplicate Board. This command sets the process in motion to create an exact copy of your board. It's worth noting that duplicating a board will help maintain everything as it is, ensuring the integrity and format of your original setup are preserved. As soon as you choose Duplicate Board, a window will pop up, prompting you to provide a name for your new board. This step is crucial, especially if you plan on using the copied board frequently. A clear, descriptive name will help you and your team easily identify this board in the future. Enter a name that accurately depicts the purpose or project you're planning to work on. Next, you'll need to decide what specific elements of the board you want to duplicate. You will be provided with options to select what you'd like to be copied over, such as updates, assignments, and other components. This flexibility allows you to customize your new board according to your project needs, giving you the control to include only what's necessary for your workflow. After you've chosen the elements to duplicate, another option will appear asking whether or not you'd like to keep the current board subscribers. Depending on your project's requirements, you can either retain the existing team setup or start fresh. If you're collaborating with different members, you might want to leave this unchecked, but if the project involves the same team, it could be convenient to keep them included automatically. Finally, once you've made all these selections, go ahead and click on Duplicate. This button will finalize the creation of your new board, preserving all selected settings and preferences. With that, you now have a fully duplicated board ready for use, mirroring the structure and elements that you opted to carry over. And there you have it. We've just successfully copied a Monday.com board, making it ready for your next project or task setup.